Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to restore default keyboard on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to restore default keyboard ensures optimal performance, compatibility, and security on your device, while providing a familiar and reliable typing experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. After that, please scroll down. So here you can choose General Management option. Okay, and then select Keyboard List and Default. So turn off additional keyboard on your device, like this. Okay, so now you can check that the default keyboard is successfully restored. Well, that's the tutorial on how to restore the default keyboard on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.